Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to avoid tolls on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to avoid tolls on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, now in order to avoid the tolls on Google Maps, first let's search for a destination to where we want to go, and let's search for a near destinations. I'll be just choosing it from over here on my search list. And you can see, guys, after choosing your destination on the Google map, tap on the directions on this interface. When we search for destination, it comes up. Tap on the direction on this interface, and this kind of interface will appear showing you your route. And again, over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us where it says your location. At the right side of that, there is a three-dotted icon. Tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the options available for us. The option button on this drop down menu, tap on options, and over here you can see the avoid tolls option is available for us at the top of the list. And there is a toggle icon at the right side of that option. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side where it says the avoid tolls, and you will start to avoid tolls on the Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.